When you're working in Rome, it's easy to have dozens of blocks, and in this page, for example, we only have 3, but then under this second block here, the list, I have 15 nested blocks. And right now I'm here, but then someone calls or I lose my focus and where was I? We can tell we are here because of the syntax, but it's kind of hard to know where our attention was before we got interrupted. So take a look at this. This is Bullet Paths, an extension to Rome that allows you to highlight the scope of the block you're currently typing in. Let's move here, or even create a nested block here. If you like this video is all about how you can install it, how it works, and some issues that I found with it. Okay, so let's start with installation. First you go to this website, which I will add the address into the description of the video, and copy this code. Then anywhere in your graph, I like to put it under Rome/JS to have everything in the same place. You do the following: curly brackets, normal brackets, Rome.js, and underneath it you type code, JavaScript code block, and inside this box you paste the code. Now press yes, I know what I'm doing, and Bullet Paths should be working. Now if you don't like the bright pink color, you can change it going back to wherever you put the code, in our case Rome.js, and down here under options you can change the scale or the bullet color, and now Bullet Paths are all in blue. Notice as well that it changes the links, the color of the links you're focusing into. You can change the scale or the size of the bullet here, for example from 2 to say 5. There you go. If you don't like these lines in between bullets, you can turn them off. For example, in this configuration there's no lines, only the bullet paths, and for some that might be enough. Overall, I love this extension, and that's why I'm showing it to you today. Now there is one little issue. For example, on this page, let's say I want to focus on 5. As you can see, the line actually overlaps the number. I think it's a small issue. I think it's very much well worth it, the clarity and how fast you can focus back on wherever you are. So, hope you enjoy it. See you in the next one.